All right, according to the instructions for the rebuild kit for these swivels, this is riveted or staked down. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's peened over. It's not designed to be removable without basically destroying it. So what you need to do, what they recommend in the instructions, is to drill out or drill off the head of this rivet. So we got a center finding gauge here. We'll make a couple scribe marks. That did not find the center. There we go. Okay. And then we will center punch this. And now we'll break out the drill and drill out that rip. All right, according to the instructions, they want you to start with a 1/4-inch bit, go about 3/8 deep, then step up to a 3/8 bit and finish it off. Okay, luckily this rivet is not crazy hard stuff. It's drilling pretty easily. Get a 3/8 bit. We'll drop an Earl in there. Open this up. Okay. Change batteries. Finish this up. Okay, we're dead for dead on batteries. So, I did get down deep enough. So now they're asking you to knock the head off of that rivet. Now that it is drilled, let's see what happens. And across the room it goes. And look at this. There's your swivel mechanism, your bearings and cage. And this should just drop right through. And done. Now the rebuild kit that they sell for it includes a new nylon race, new bearings, and then also a nut and bolt arrangement to replace this big staked rivet.